Welcome to Edmonton and Rexall Place, where it's the second meeting between the Colorado Avalanche and the Edmonton Oilers. The Avalanche won the last meeting 5-1.
Brandon Davidson has a look around, fed the puck behind the net. Skilly intercepted, and Talbot made a save on him as Matt Hendrick's stick went flying through the air.
And a heads-up play by Talbot, able to corral that rebound and hold on.
Here's Draisaitl, Purcell out against Matt Duchene's line. There's Purcell with a shot deflected right on. There's a rebound, what a save by Pickard. Another shot, they score! Taylor Hall!
What happened here is the Colorado Avalanche leave opportunities. Pickard not able to handle the first shot very well. A chance to clear it, maybe a good pinch. One chance gets saved, the rebound's there, another great opportunity, but the third lead there is right on the stick. Nice job by Leon Draisaitl, not hesitating at all.
In the corner by Mark Fane, Mitchell with a tip. Barry with a shot, just missed the net. Hooked in front of the net, John Mitchell scores! Blake Comeau set him up, and he had all day to put it in. Game's tied 1-1.
You've got four guys back in good position. Look at all the blue sweaters, but nobody's attacking the puck. The rebound is there. Fane is late to react. Comeau acts instantly, and look at Mitchell with his stick on the ice.
Here's Tyson Barrie, the defenseman, leading the rush. Cody McLeod centering pass, hit his skate, still loose. Talbot thought he had it the first time, and he didn't, and now he smothers the puck. Up the middle, Mikhail Grigorenko, Duchene, Iginla right in front, they score! Tyson Barrie finished it as the defenseman was streaking to the net. Jarome Iginla spotted him, and it's a 2-1 Avalanche lead.
Well, just like you've seen all game long, you better be ready to get back defensively after you push the play offensively. Excellent play.
Here's Jarome Iginla. Tyson Barrie, Landeskog parked in front, Duchene walks out, cross ice. Talbot with a wonderful save off Blake Comeau. 8 seconds to go in the 5-on-3. Cross ice pass, and he got it through. Here's Tanguay. Back to Barrie. He walks in. He shoots. He scores. Terrific shift in the attacking zone. Wore the Oilers down, and Tyson Barrie has his second. And the Avalanche have some breathing room at 3-1.
Well, Todd McCollum was saying this morning about playing defensive shifts. You get tired. When you're on offense, you got lots of energy, and this is a good example of it here. Look at the white sweater.
They changed the defenseman. Barrie came on. Tanguay and Landeskog get assists, and back the other way. Pickard with a nice save. McDavid is stopped by Calvin Pickard.
Getting across, you have to know who's on the ice. As Eberle gets past the defenseman. Look at how quickly he gets across and gets square to the second shot.
The boards. Tanguay couldn't get the puck out. McDavid kept it in. Eberle fires. Pickard the save. Eberle again in front. Pouliot scores! 1-goal game with 1:41 left in the third. Benoit Pouliot makes it 3-2.
Boy, the Oilers catch a break here. I thought this was a hand pass. A bouncing puck.
Oh, yeah, it was. 10 seconds to go. John Mitchell to the open net. He missed it, and he wasn't on his own side of center, so the Oilers will run out of time. Henrik skates in, was going to fire the puck, and the Colorado Avalanche hang on with Calvin Pickard in goal for a 3-2 victory that puts them into the first wild card spot just ahead of Nashville.
Well, quite a hold on there by the Colorado Avalanche as the last 4 minutes spent mostly in the Avalanche zone. Pickard hunkered down.